Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Charlie, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make my delicious Snickerdoodle cookies from scratch. This recipe makes about 23 cookies and is absolutely delicious. So let's get started. Here is all what you will need to make your Snickerdoodle cookies. You will need some all-purpose flour, sugar, salt, baking soda, unsalted butter at room temperature, shortening at room temperature, 1 large egg at room temperature, vanilla extract, and some cinnamon. To bake your Snickerdoodle cookies, you will need some parchment paper and an 11 by 17 inch baking pan. And there we have it. Add 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Stir all your ingredients together. In our stand mixer with the paddle attachment, add 1 stick of unsalted butter at room temperature, 3 tablespoons of vegetable shortening at room temperature, and 1 cup of sugar. Mix all ingredients on high speed for 4 minutes. At some point during those 4 minutes, you're going to stop the mixer and scrape down the sides of your bowl. Continue mixing that in. Scrape down the sides of your bowl. Add 1 large egg at room temperature and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Mix on a medium-low speed until combined. Scrape down the sides of your bowl. Add your all-purpose flour mixture. Mix all ingredients on a medium-low speed until combined. The Snickerdoodle cookie dough is now done. Place the cookie dough into your refrigerator for 1 hour. Lightly butter the bottom of your baking pan. Add a sheet of parchment paper into the pan. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees. For our cinnamon sugar mixture, add 3 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Give this a quick stir, and this will be used to dip our cookie dough in. Using an ice cream scoop, scoop a small amount of cookie dough and place it into the palm of your hand. Roll the dough into a ball. And you want it to be about that size right there, like a small to medium size. And you're going to place that onto your baking pan. Using your hand, press down onto each individual ball of cookie dough slightly. This will ensure even baking. Now we're going to take each individual piece of cookie dough and we're going to dip it into the cinnamon sugar mixture. And that's how it looks when we're done. We've finished dipping all of our cookie dough. Let's bake it. Place into a preheated 325 degree oven. Bake for 17 minutes. Remove your cookies out of the oven after baking on 325 degrees for 17 minutes. Let the cookies cool completely before serving, or if not, you can serve this warm. Here is the final presentation. And there you have it, Snickerdoodle Cookies, made from scratch. If you like my channel, hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell button if you want to be notified of my videos. You can also check out this recipe along with all of my other recipes, as well as contact me or donate to the channel. Visit www.charliethecookandrews.com. You can also like, follow, or contact me on Facebook and on Instagram under the name Charlie the Cook Andrews. Stay tuned as Charlie's taste test is coming up next. Now it's time for Charlie's taste test. Looks good. The cookies have a nice cinnamon flavor. They also have a nice crunchy outside, chewy and moist on the inside. Very, very good. I'm telling y'all, try the recipe. And that's it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. So until next time, take care, and I hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.